Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So the section we're driving on now, we are on the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project and we are by the Sun Coast Adventure Park. Now this is a new road that was built for persons to access the highway. The old road was removed and I'm going to show you in a little bit so that both ends of the highway could be joined. Because a new section okay, right out here straight ahead, that's where the old road used to be. Okay, let's pull over here. So this section you're looking at is a section of the highway from the Sun Coast Adventure Park to Yalos. This section that we're looking at over here is a section from 11 miles Bull Bay that comes over the hill and joins up back with the highway here. So from the Harborview Bridge to 11 miles, the highway runs along the existing roadway. So that roadway is upgraded to 4 lanes. But from 11 miles to the Sun Coast Adventure Park, a new road was built going over the hill, so the highway no longer runs along the existing roadway. And when you are on the old road now, the existing roadway, this is where you join back up with the highway, right out here by the Sun Coast Adventure Park. So this section here is the old road that has been upgraded to 4 lanes. Okay, this is a very busy construction site and we were about to reverse and a truck just drove behind us, so we're going to go to a better spot. So this now is a new road. So let's go over the alignment again. From the Harborview Bridge to 11 miles, the highway runs along the existing roadway that's upgraded. Then from 11 miles to the Sun Coast Adventure Park, which is where we are, the highway goes over the hill. It does not run along the existing roadway. And then from where we are, the Sun Coast Adventure Park to Albion Heights, the highway goes along the existing roadway. So that road that you're looking at straight ahead is well, we turn, but before we turn, okay, I don't think we're going to be able to stay here. You know what? Let's go, just continue. Right, so from where we are, the Sun Coast Adventure Park to Albion Heights, the highway runs along the existing roadway. And then from Albion Heights to Grants Pen, the highway goes over the hill again on a new alignment, and it does not run along the existing roadway. And then from Grants Pen to Albion, it runs along the existing road and goes all the way down to the Yalos Bridge. So basically that's the alignment. So where we are now is where the section that from 11 miles to the Sun Coast Adventure Park, the new road that was built, joins up with this section of the highway. And if you're on the old road and you want to access the highway, that's where the video started. You would use that road. So this section of the highway now, between the Harborview Bridge and the Yalos Bridge, is 17.4 kilometers, and it's supposed to open in August of this year. Now the entire highway from Harborview to Port Antonio is 120 kilometers. And that entire section is supposed to be finished by 2025. We're going to show you from this angle. It's a very busy work site, and trucks and these heavy equipment drive all over the place. So we just have to be careful. Alright, so straight ahead, that's the road that's coming from 11 miles over the hill and joins back up here. Very nice highway. game changer for Jamaica, especially this side of the island. Now, if you want to go back on the old road, this is where you turn from both directions. There are turning lanes for the highway to turn here. Somebody had mentioned a bridge was going to be built, but we can confirm that no bridge is going to be built. It's a turning lane. If you notice, the concrete barricade is not going to go straight across. There's a break in it, so if you want to turn, you can turn here. This is we're going back up to the old road now, so you can take the old road from here, the Suncoast Adventure Park, back to 11 miles where you rejoin the highway again. And remember, that section of the highway from 11 miles to from 11 miles to the Harborview Bridge runs along the existing roadway. So this is basically this road is the road that the highway does not run along. A new route has been built for this section of the road. Alright guys, so I hope that was helpful, and just to confirm that no bridge is going to be built across that road. There is going to be a turning lanes for each side of the highway. So the highway is 4 lanes, but at that section it's going to be 6 lanes because there's going to be an additional lane for turning. And it doesn't matter which direction you're going in, there's going to be a lane for you to turn to access this old road. Now, I'm not sure why the highway took a new alignment from 11 miles to the Suncoast Adventure Park, because the highway was running along the existing roadway the entire stretch. I'm not sure why. From the Harborview Bridge to 11 miles, it ran along the existing roadway. That road was upgraded to the highway. So I'm not sure why they decided to build a new section over the hill at this point. If anybody knows, you can leave a comment in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.